Hello friends, in this video I intend to explain to you step by step how to work with the AvaTrade Broker dashboard. At the top of the page, we have a blue bar where your username and a welcome message are displayed. And on the right side of this bar, your total account balance is shown, which is currently $90. In the left menu section, you will see the main menu, which provides quick access to different parts of the dashboard. In the My Account section, you can view an overview of your account. In this section, your real account is displayed to you. By clicking on the Add an Account option, you can create a new real account or a new demo account. In this section, you can view the details of your trading account and the login number. Trading platform is displayed here. The next section is related to the MetaTrader server, and the following section shows the base currency of your account, AvaTrade, which is USD in this part. In the account type section, you can see the type of account, which in this case is CFD, meaning trades are based on price differences, contracts for difference, and offer, which is the type of trading platform, and in this section it is web trader. In the trading platforms COGS section, you have three options to enter the market, which displays the trading platforms to you. The first option is MetaTrader 5, which by clicking the download option will be installed on your computer. The next option is the web-based platform, which does not require installation. And the third option is Connect to Doping Trade, which is the connection to the copy trading system in this broker. By clicking, the first option, MetaTrader 5 will be downloaded to your system. By clicking on the web trading option, you will enter the web-based trading platform of the broker AvaTrade and will be able to conduct your trades. And in this section, by clicking the Connect to Taply Trade option, it connects you to the copy trading system of this broker. In the equity section, you can see the total balance, which is $90. In the pending equity section, you can see the pending balance, which is currently $0. And by clicking the green deposit button for quick account funding, you will be transferred to the deposit section. Let's return to the trading dashboard. In this section, you can see the support section of the broker AvaTrade, where the direct contact number is listed. By clicking the chat option, you can have a live chat with support, and by clicking WhatsApp option, support through the WhatsApp Messenger will open for you. At the bottom of the page, you can see the security tip. AvaTrade uses strong encryption systems to ensure the security of its users' data, and this is explained to you in this section. The next section pertains to personal details. In this section, your identity and contact information are stored, including your first name, last name, date of birth, residential address, email, contact number, country of residence, and so on. The purpose is for identity verification and full account activation, and the information in this section must be accurate and match the documents. The next section is about account funding. By selecting the Fund Your Account option, we can proceed to fund your account. In the deposit section, two main parts are visible. The first part is Fund Your Account for account funding, and the second part is Pending Deposit, which shows you the pending deposits. If you have made a deposit that has not yet been credited to your account, for example, due to a bank transfer or blockchain network delay, it will be displayed in this section, and you can check its status or follow up if necessary. And regarding deposits, it shows you the online deposit methods in this section. You select your trading account and see the methods offered to you, which include credit and debit cards, U-Money, Nutella, Google Pay, Skrill, and Apple Pay. Through these methods, you can fund your account and offline wire transfer which is one of the deposit methods in the AvaTrade Broker, or the same offline bank transfer, is usually used by users who prefer to transfer their desired amount directly to the broker's account through the bank. In this case, the broker provides you with its banking information, such as the account number, SWIFT code, bank name, and country, and you can either visit a bank branch or fill out the international transfer form through your internet banking to transfer the desired amount. The important point is that since this method is offline and manual, so processing it may take several business days. It usually takes between 2 to 5 business days. After completing the transfer, you typically need to upload and report the bank receipt in the pending deposit section or through support, and the minimum deposit via wire transfer is $100, 100 euros, or 100 pounds. The next part is related to uploading documents, which is for submitting your documents. This section is usually used for identity verification and address confirmation. You are typically asked to upload an identity document, such as a passport, a national ID card, or driver's license. You should upload proof of residence, such as a water or electricity bill, bank statement, or your tax documents in this section. The following section pertains to the trading calculator, which is a very useful tool for both professional and novice traders. In this part, you can see the calculation of the required margin to open a position, calculation of pip value based on the trading symbol volume, as well as an approximate calculation of profit and loss, and also overnight costs, or swaps. The purpose of this section is to assist in risk management and precise calculation before entering your trades. By clicking the register option, you complete your registration and receive services from this section. The next section is related to My Info. In the My Info section, you can view the complete history of your account's financial transactions, which includes deposits, withdrawals, trading profits and losses, and other financial operations conducted on your account. In this section, you have several filter tools that help you view the information you need more precisely. You can select the account number, time range, and transaction status type, where you are able to choose the transaction status type in this section. At the top, it shows you the withdrawals, and at the bottom, the deposits. In this section, you can also see the total, value, balance, and the pending balance. The next section is related to referral friend, which pertains to inviting friends. It is one of the tools for introducing and earning income in the broker, i.e. referral. In this section, you can obtain your unique referral link and send it to your friends. And when one of your friends registers through your link and makes a deposit, you receive a referral bonus or commission. To access this section, you must first establish a real account, fund it with a minimum balance of $500, and add 10 traders in order to proceed. And as you can clearly see, this section provides a detailed explanation of how much cash credit you are entitled to for any amount that enters the broker through your link. Additionally, when a friend joins the broker through you and starts trading, the broker will notify you. These were the explanations regarding working with the broker's dashboard. At the top of the page, you can see the Logout option, and by clicking on this option, you will exit your trading account. If any part needs further explanation, or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.